What is a resistor? Many people do not yet know what a resistor component is. It may include you, though this electronics component a lot of usefulness.
You may not realize that many electronic devices can work because of the resistor components. For examples, radios, computers, and cell phones.
Resistors are electronic components which have a specific, never-changing electrical resistance. The resistor's resistance limits the flow of electrons through a circuit. The resistance is measured in ohms. 1 ohm is the resistance that occurs when a current of 1 ampere passes through a resistor with a 1 volt drop across its terminals. This ratio is represented by Ohm's law. There are examples of the physical form of resistor components. Resistors are passive components, meaning they only consume power and can't generate it. Commonly, resistors are used to limit current, divide voltages, and pull up I/O lines. These are the commonly used resistor symbols. The international IEC symbol is a rectangular shape. In the USA, the ANSI standard is very common. This is a zigzag line. This is an example of a resistor in an electronic circuit. This is an example of a resistor in an electronic system. How the resistor works in a closed electronic circuit and how current flows across a resistor. You can see in the following simulation. This is the voltage source. This is a resistor. Both are connected in a closed circuit. This is the current flowing in the circuit. If a voltage source is 1 volt with a single ohm resistor, then the current will be close to 1 ampere, or 1000 milliamperes. Now we try to change the resistor value to 2 ohms. The current changes near half of amperes are close to 500 milliamperes. What if the voltage is changed to 20 volts? Now the current is changing near 10 amperes. In this case, the Ohm law applies. The current is the result of the voltage divided resistor. Current in amperes, resistors in ohm, and voltages in volts. Now we will see the simulation if the fixed value resistor is replaced by a variable resistor. See, the current will change if the resistor value is changed. The bigger the resistor value, the smaller the current will flow. Vice versa. The smaller the value of the resistor, the greater the current flowing in the circuit. Thus, the outline of a resistor is a passive component of electronics and its effect on the current flowing in a closed circuit. Remember, the law of Ohm applies in series circuit. Thanks for watching.